Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again to find more security and privacy, and here we have to scroll down again to find installation sources. And right here we will have the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course you can change it, so simply find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you're doing it basically on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So simply tap on allowed and your device will immediately allow the Chrome to install some content. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the switcher next to the app. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.